while I'm waiting, kid. No, don't stay awake, I'll be home later, babe. Now she's phoning me on private. When I told her I don't like it, she's a hoe and she got mileage. Probably more miles than my whip. I see it and I buy it. She's still eating on my privates, I'm still keeping it. Man, run up in the Fendi shop like I got never running. What? Coming from a deadly block where hella niggas getting what? Serving 20 shots, standing by the better shop. Plugs were getting rough. I'm a rapper now, they're better up. Now I'm missing her on FaceTime, but I told her that I'll make time. It wasn't given, had to take mine. Little Mino doing drillings in the daytime. Now she's messaging on Snapchat, but I ain't getting into chat back. Yeah, I call her old case with my black rap. Yeah, she got no waist, just a. Yo, I'm in the trap house, get the dinner out. Yo, I used to lose, but I'm a winner now. 6 shots in my waistline, my spinners out. Whoa, I'm gonna take out till my niggas out. But bro, I'm sitting down thinking how these bitches dizzy now. Cause all we make them do is spin around. My little niggas moving wild, but they listen now. They ain't got no dinner out and I don't bring the spinners out. I don't wanna see you sitting down. Yeah, my hands are dry, but I'm drippy now. Little niggas slide and they lick them down. Ain't got the hammer, then we dip it down. Trip or drown. I got bitches on my iPhone X, I don't even like to text. Trying to find the rest, don't worry about. Yo, what's this about? Get them scissors out. Man, I think it's time that we go and cut the niggas out. So what's next? Now I'm missing her on FaceTime, but I told her that I'll make time. It wasn't given, had to take mine. Little Mino doing drillings in the daytime. Now she's messaging on Snapchat, but I ain't getting into chat back. Yeah, I call her old case with my black rap. Yeah, she got no waist, just a fat back. What's all the talk about? I just got a mortgage out. 5 years ago I would've lost if you asked if I bought a house. I had like £40, now my wrist costs 45. I've been a naughty child, you should know I play dirty. See me moving around at 8:30, trying to get some cake early, moving like my 8. They call me Fred Spread or Chef F. What's left is tap peps. Yo, show me where's the. Got a watch on my right and my left wrist. Yo, that's 30 each side, like my bench press. Hey, yo, cutie pie, what you trying to do tonight? Have you ever flew the back? When I go, I do it right. It's Valentino shoes I like. My young Amino, he's been shooting packs, smoking weed in rooms all night. The owners wanna sue me. Wife said I ain't moving right, plus she got on shoes I like. We both got on Gucci straps, about to have a Gucci fight. Alright, Lester, you know we ain't nowhere near done. Who's whipping in the kitchen?